This video is sponsored by Lexington Law Firm. Lexington Law Firm is this super awesome, reputable credit repair company, and what they do is help you to restore your credit. My biggest goal is owning a home. I want to be a homeowner. I want that white picket fence, big backyard, and all that good stuff. So I knew in order to do that, I had to clean up some stuff with my credit. So I called Lexington Law Firm, and you guys, from the moment they said hello, they were just like the most helpful people ever. I talked to them on the phone for about a good 30 minutes. It was like talking to my best friend. We were going back and forth. They told me all about what they do. I told them all about what I wanted, and it was like a match made in heaven. I'm noticing things are coming off my credit, and I'm getting super excited because you guys, I'm seeing a change in everything. A change in myself, a change in just my overall credit. Everything is just so much better. So I have to credit that all to Lexington Law Firm, and this is only the beginning. So I'm super excited to see where we go from here.